Hip-hop, a dynamic subculture that originated in the Bronx, New York City in the 1970s, has since crossed borders and made its mark on the Philippines, inspiring a new generation of local artists to express themselves through rapping, DJing, breakdancing, and powerful lyrics that speak to social issues and the struggles of marginalized communities. And now, Cebu was set to make its own mark on the hip-hop scene with the much-anticipated first-ever Hip-Hop Jam Cebu Music Festival 2025. However, what was supposed to be a thrilling night of beats, rhymes, and high energy took an unexpected turn, as a heavy downpour forced organizers to cut the event short at the Seno Avenue grounds in Mandaue City last Saturday, March 8. Prioritizing the safety of artists, audience, and crew, organizers, alongside BFP, Mandaue CDRRMO, and Opus Security, made the call to end the show early after assessing technical conditions on stage. Producer Carl Orale assured ticket holders they'll get first dibs on the next show, with new dates to be announced soon.
Comes first. We will be announcing new dates soon, and the current ticket holders will receive first dibs on the upcoming show. Thank you and be safe.
Hip-hop fans Emerald Joyce Gutierrez and Jam Kutamora were a bit let down by the sudden announcement, hoping for a clearer and more detailed follow-up. But the message was brief and delivered only once.
Frustrated me, kaya nga no, kani siya nga digyan, daman ba yun na mo siya no, and then kasagaran ba yan ay mga nanarbaho, so nag-leave dyan mi ang uban diri, ang uban siguro unpaid pa man gani siguro. Tapos ingnon lang mi nga makancel. Siguro, makasabot mi kung ganiha, sayo-sayo, nag-ingon sila cancel, kaya nga no, gusto kayong uwan, unya, daghan na kayo nga basa, niingon sila nga stop na, di mo na ng uwan, di ba? So pasabot nga, nakakita sila nga na yung mga nangabasa diri, sacrifice willing yun sila. Nga magpaulan para lang.
Kasi walo ba yata musukol ba jud tag-ulan no balag ubagyo pa na musukol pa ta.
So nakasabot pud mino nga kanang sa kanang safety sa mga ano pero manggod wala namang good ni uwan.
Content creator Bisaya Konyo Girl also expressed their sadness over not getting to see 𝗛𝗵𝗽 perform.
Sad ko that I can't watch 𝗛𝗵𝗽. Sige na lang. Pero it's okay. Next time na lang.
While most attendees were disheartened by the event's early end, hip-hop enthusiast Joshua Waheng took it in stride, saying the performances he did catch were enough to make his night.
Sulit ra gyapon mi sa tanang artist na nanukal, sulit ra kayo.
Standout performances from SOBV, Mr. Lefty, Cookies, and Winston Lee kept the crowd buzzing, with Cookies and Winston Lee braving the downpour, spitting bars and dropping beats under the rain, proving that the show must go on. With the abrupt end to the show, 𝗛𝗵𝗽 took to social media to announce that he and Downtown Q were unable to perform, following the advice of the organizers. Several attendees also voiced their disappointment on social media, sharing that they traveled to Cebu hoping for an unforgettable experience. What caught fans off guard were the now deleted posts from artists Sica and Ballin on Sunday, March 9, expressing frustration over allegedly not being fully paid. Hip-Hop Jam PH clarified that the early stoppage was due to safety risks and urged the public not to spread speculations or false information. On Monday, March 10, Hip-Hop Jam PH released an official statement acknowledging the inconvenience caused to attendees and fans, announcing a 50% refund policy, citing that the show was already more than halfway through. This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.
Natural laman na nabuso sa uso sa mundo ang video na niyo mo ang